5 big art YouTubers that I'm subscribed to. Let's find out who.
Arts Workfly.
So 5 big art YouTubers that I'm subscribed to are Ray Dizzle, Bex, Jazza, Bobby Duke, and ZHC. Now, the reason why I'm subscribed to these persons is because they are very entertaining, creative, and inspirational. And if you want to know what works from what don't work when it comes to art, some of these artists you should check out. The first one to talk about is Super Ray Dizzle, right? She has 1.77 million subscribers. She does a lot of testing. She does things like testing cheap items, expensive items. She tries different mediums such as paint, watercolor, pencil crayon, anything at all you can name. So if you're not sure about a particular product work a certain way, well, you can check out Ray Dizzle. She probably has done it before or done it already. So that is the reason why I am subscribed to Ray Dizzle. Here she does one with drawing with the world's largest pencil, and that one got 1.1 million views. What? So she does a lot of fun content, so you can check her out, subscribe to her channel.
One of the oldest, rarest, and quite honestly the most expensive thing that I have ever opened on this channel. I am going to be unboxing a 150-year-old artist grade, amazing condition pencil set from the year 1870. During the time that these pencils were made, the light bulb had not been invented yet.
The next one that I'm subscribed to is Bex. He does a lot of doodling and so on that I do like. When he creates his large murals on different characters, you can see that each one of them has something different. Each one is unique. He has 3 million subscribers at this point. His work is just so colorful, so crisp, so rich. His characters just have life, they pop. You can just be inspired by what he has done to create your own character. For the students who I teach who love cartoons and so on, you can check out Vex. You can look at his doodlings and so on, how each character has a different personality, or even if they're close to each other, it's still very different in terms of their expression. So that is the reason why I am subscribed to Vex. Alright, so I am also subscribed to Bobby Duke Arts. He has 4.3 million subscribers. Alright, so the reason why I'm subscribed to Bobby Duke is because he makes a lot of art using like metal, wood, stone. He makes a lot of sculptures. So you can check out his art channel if you're interested in building a 3D image. The one that I do love that he made is the wings. I love that one. So this one here, I figured out how to make crystal wings, and plus he's also entertaining. While he's doing his videos, he's also very entertaining.
No.
So you can go ahead and check him out. You will not be disappointed. Now the next one that I'm subscribed to is Jazza. Now I've spoken about Jazza a number of times. He is basically one of my first art inspiration YouTuber person. So that is why I'm always talking about Jazza. At the point when I subscribed to Jazza, I did not know that there was such a large community that really wanted to watch art channels. So he's one of the person that kind of motivated me to start my YouTube channel. He grew, he started to do different drawing, experimenting. He's just well established. He's a well-established art YouTuber. He has a lot of views on his videos. He's just good at what he does. I also bought one of his box. It's very funny. If you're looking for entertaining art videos, check him out. Wanting to know what marker is best, check him out. What medium is best, check him out. If you want to know what works from what does not work, check him out. Alright, so he is basically your entertaining art YouTuber with 5.79 million subscribers.
So I've just
Now, a lot of you must have heard about ZHC because right now he has 23.2 million subscribers, so therefore a lot of you probably are already subscribed to him. So yes, I am also subscribed to ZHC because of the fun challenges that he does. But before that, he was doing a lot of character drawings, so I was really interested in that at first. But over time, he grew, and now he's doing a lot of challenges.
With over 100 tiny homes, and we only have 10 days to paint every single one of them.
And I really like the challenges also, therefore I just continue to watch him.
It's insane and important thing I've ever done.
So he's basically entertaining you while doing art, so you can check out ZHC channel. I hope you were motivated and inspired. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Artwork Fly.